Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today. Today's topic of discussion is hybrid terrorists. So now let's start the video. Hybrid terrorists are those people brought in by the terrorist group only to carry out one or two missions. They basically assist the terrorist groups. For instance, shopkeepers allowing terrorists to store their arms, passing information, etc. are hybrid terrorists. They are like temporary on contract laborers. They are not a part of the terrorist group. However, they are trained to execute a specific work. Hybrid terrorists are increasing in Jammu and Kashmir. The terrorist group are targeting political workers, civilians, and people from minority communities to convert them into hybrid terrorists. These hybrid terrorists are radicalized by the terrorist groups. They are then kept on standby mode. They are launched during the right time to carry out the terror incident. Also, the targets are selected very carefully. The selection is not random but planned. Mostly the weak and the needy are targeted. The hybrid terrorists are also trained to kill or paid to kill a target. So what are the challenges? The first and foremost challenge faced by the security forces is the identification. It is highly difficult to trace the location or whereabouts of the hybrid terrorist. Also, it is difficult to stop them or arrest them or neutralize them through encounters. Cyber patrol and technical gadgets are the only two ways to identify hybrid terrorists. The other challenge that the security forces are facing in the Kashmir Valley is narco terror. Tons of narcotics have been recovered by security forces in various districts of the Kashmir Valley, and security agencies believe that the money from these drugs is being used by the terror outfits. The arms and ammunition are mostly brought from money generated through drugs trafficking. These drugs are sold in different parts of the country. The other challenge is drugs. Students and civilians are involved in drug addiction, and narcotics are coming from across the border. The narcotics are being sold and the money is given to the terrorists and terror outfits. They buy arms and ammunition with that money, and that is a big challenge for the army. Security forces have received intelligence input that the terror handlers from across the border want to rebuild strength of terror outfits in Jammu and Kashmir. The terror outfits in the Union Territory have been dealt a blow due to sustained operation carried out by the security forces. Many terrorists from top leadership of terror outfits have been eliminated. The input further says that more than 300 trained terrorists of various terror outfits are waiting at launch pads across the border to infiltrate into the Kashmir Valley, mostly through Gurez and Kupwara sector in North Kashmir. So that's all for the video. Thanks for watching.